वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स टू तेबाक्ष अकेडमी क्लासेस। सो आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं पॉपुलेशन इकोलॉजी। सो व्हाट इज़ पॉपुलेशन? पॉपुलेशन इज़ अ ग्रुप ऑफ स्पीशीज लिविंग इन अ सेम प्लेस बिलोंगिंग टू सेम स्पीशीज इन अ गिवन टाइम। मतलब कि पॉपुलेशन एक स्पीशीज़ का ग्रुप होता है जो सेम जगह रहते हैं और जो सेम स्पीशीज़ को बिलोंग करते हैं एट अ गिवन टाइम। मतलब सेम स्पीशीज़ के होंगे। जैसे कि एक घर में दो लोग रहते हैं तो वो दो लोग जो है एक ही स्पीशीज़ होंगे, वो है ह्यूमन बींग्स, होमो सैपियंस। तो जिसको कहते हैं पॉपुलेशन। इसके कुछ कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं जैसे लाइक पॉपुलेशन साइज, डेंसिटी, एबंडेंस, डिस्पर्शन, बर्थ रेट, डेथ रेट एंड एज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. So these characters can only be applied to a population and not to an individual. ये पूरे ग्रुप में अप्लाई होंगे, एक सिंगल बंदे पर अप्लाई नहीं होगा. So इन पे ग्राफ भी बनाए जा सकते हैं जिनको डेमोग्राफिक फैक्टर बोला जाता है. फर्स्ट फैक्टर है पॉपुलेशन साइज. This is the sum number of objects. Size can be calculated by genetics. It is population size of gene pool is total number of alleles in a gene population. By ecology, total number of member of a species that live together represent population size. For a population, immigration and birth rate give positive effect. Death rate and emigration give negative effect. Population size is affected by immigration, birth, death and emigration. Out of them, birth and immigration increase the population size because they give positive effect. Okay, I think it's clear. So immigration plus emigration is equal to migration. In a natural population, immigration and emigration is rarely seen. So population is affected by both birth and death rate. That's I told you. So there is a formula, R is equal to B minus D. R represents population size, B birth rate, D death rate. If R, listen carefully, if R is equal to 0, population size is stable. If R is greater than 0, population size increase. If R is smaller than 0 value means, so population size decrease. So R means maximum potential to grow or biotic potential or per capita growth rate or intrinsic rate of growth. Intrinsic means internal. सेकेंड फैक्टर डेंसिटी एंड अबंडेंस. डेंसिटी आपने सबने पढ़ा है, मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम होता है, लेकिन इस चीज़ में जो वॉल्यूम एरिया हो जाएगा. ओके, मास इज टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्पीशीज इन अ पॉपुलेशन divided by total area. Abundance is specific density or ecological density. This area is called habitable area. Habitable area. Abundance formula is total number of species of a population divided by habitable area. Abundance is greater than density. Total number of species per unit area is called density. Total number of species per unit habitable area is abundance. This is grass root, this is the density, this is the algae, and this is abundance. Shown in the diagram. Birth rate or natality. Birth depends on initial size of population, biotic potential R, environment unsaturated and saturated. For a saturated calculation in a question, the birth rate is calculated as birth per 1000 species. डिपेंडिंग ऑन इट्स एबिलिटी देयर आर टू टाइप. एब्सोल्यूट बर्थ रेट होता है, इरेलाइज बर्थ रेट होता है. जो एब्सोल्यूट बर्थ रेट है दैट इज़ अनसैचुरेटेड एनवायरनमेंट, और जो रियलाइज बर्थ रेट है दैट इज़ सैचुरेटेड एनवायरनमेंट. जो अनसैचुरेटेड एनवायरनमेंट होता है, यहाँ जो बर्थ रेट है वो कैलकुलेट होता है जब अनसैचुरेटेड एनवायरनमेंट जब होगा रिप्रोडक्शन के लिए. पहले इनिशियली दे विल बी अनसैचुरेटेड एनवायरनमेंट, बट देन इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू सैचुरेटेड एनवायरनमेंट. So in this case, such conditions have maximum potential and intrinsic rate of growth by R. Here in this case, saturated environment, population can't use biotic population. So under saturated environment, reproduction can't be by R, can't be calculated. Next character is death rate and mortality. Total death in unit time per unit area is death rate. Absolute mortality and realized mortality. Absolute mortality, death under unsaturated environment, death due to completion of age. Unsaturated with there is realized mortality. Death may be due to other factors like any disease or anything, accident or trauma. Growth rate, speed to grow. For example, 1st January to 1st March, we have delta T, change in time. 100 frogs were grown in 1st Jan. We found 150 frogs in 1st March. So 100 will be n naught, delta n, change number, and T, total number of frogs. So 150 minus 150 members, 50 by 2 months, Jan to March, 2 months. So 25 frogs per month. This is how to calculate growth. Total number of new species added to a new population. Change in number by change in time, delta n by delta t, that is equal to small change dn by dt. This is called the specific growth rate. Specific growth rate is delta n by delta t into n naught is equal to dn by dt dot n naught. Growth rate per member is called specific growth rate, percent growth rate. Delta t by delta t into 100 into n naught into 100, formula for percent growth rate. So we have done the characters till now. Others are not important, उतना बाकी इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, हमने जितना करा है. सो एज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में पिरामिड्स है जो कि अगली क्लास में कराऊंगी. डेथ रेट तक कर लिया है, डिस्पर्शन कुछ नहीं है, एबंडेंस, डेंसिटी, पॉपुलेशन साइज. ये हमारी आज की क्लास थी, पहली क्लास देवांश एकेडमी की. आई होप सबको अच्छा लगा होगा और आगे सब ज़रूर पढ़ना चाहिए. प्लीज़ टू कमेंट, लाइक एंड शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल for other updates. We will be taking all the classes of physics, chemistry, biology, commerce, arts, sociology and other subjects. For all the exams, CBSE, NEET, JEE, IIT JAM, GATE, CSIR, etc., UPSC, every exam, small topics we will be taking here. I hope my initiative is to educate Bharat, educate India, educate every student of this India and the whole world. So please subscribe and work with Devash Academy. Telegram link will be there in the description to get the notes. Thank you and good evening and have a nice day.